IVA replaces the conventional camshaft on an engine, and it replaces it with a set of valves which are under digital control, allowing infinitely variable control of timing, lift and period. IVA stands for Intelligent Valve Actuation. It's a concept to digitize the last remaining analog system on an internal combustion engine, which is the air charge. We like to think of IVA as engine breathing by wire. At a vehicle level, it can reduce CO2 emissions by around 15 to 20%. As well as reducing emissions, we've improved power, drivability and performance.
Well, IVA allows incredible control, unprecedented control, in that we can achieve full lift by rotating the camshaft through a full 360 degrees, or we can achieve any intermediate lift we like, from fractions of a millimetre to virtually all the way to full lift, by rotating the camshaft part of the way, stopping and rotating it back again. From day one of the programme, IVA has been designed to fit within a conventional engine package and to fit to pretty much any engine.
IVA has the potential to bridge the gap between petrol and diesel, offering diesel fuel consumption with petrol emissions performance. And we believe that it can meet or exceed all upcoming emissions legislation.